Okay, so I flashed my OnePlus 7 Pro to the latest Open Beta 8 that OnePlus released few days ago, and I made a first impression type of video. You can check it out if you want. But I missed a very important update in that video, so I'm making this separate video for it. So what happened was I never used the default SMS app that came with OnePlus devices. So what I would do is I would install this app called the SMS Organizer. It's an app by Microsoft, and it solves the purpose. It puts a lot of new features, lot of useful features into your SMS app which were not there in OnePlus SMS app. So I'm very happy now I don't have to install this because they have updated the SMS app finally, and most of the features that I wanted are here now. So they announced in I think June 2019 that they would be bringing many India specific features into their OxygenOS, and they have now. So it's not on stable build, but you will find this on the latest Open Beta build. So the UI of the first screen almost looks similar, but if you see on top, you will see it says ODP, transactional and promotional, and then there are few messages that I think it can't understand from which category, in which category to put them in, or maybe it thought that they are personal messages, so it just put them here on the home page itself. So let's check out the ODP section. I'm trying to so OTPs are now displayed in this rectangular kind of layout instead of those bubbles that were used in the SMS app. So you will see the OTP, and you have the option to copy it right this button. OTP can be copied, and all the OTPs are now categorized here. And then there is this transactional category, and you can see it is also displaying logos from as far as it can identify. It's not been able to identify that one message on the top. It is from Geo, but I think there was some other message that came from Geo. I think it's in promotional category. So it had put the logo of Geo, although an Adidas logo is there, and I think they have a pretty good database on companies, so they'll display the logos for those companies. And let's say that you have some parcel coming in, and you will see the status of that parcel whenever an SMS comes along with the product name, along with the company which is shipping that parcel. So and you will also see in transactional, you will also see your internet banking and transactional, whatever transactions you have made online or wherever, and you can see amount debited in this kind of pop-up. And I think it looks very cool. It looks much better than any other SMS app that I have used. So I don't think I now will have to switch to any other SMS app. And it's good to have all the important features baked right into the default apps in the default system app. So I really like this update. After that, we have this promotional category, and let me bring it down. So the promotional category will just be whatever spam messages you get, or whatever kind of offers or those kind of messages will be put in this thing. And just one thing more, you will also be seeing you can also see the bank balance that you have in your account. So for that you will HDFC Bank, no, not in this. So here you go. So amount credited, so whenever you get some amount, or some amount will be deducted from your account, you will see that amount reflecting here, and you will see the balance right here. And you can bring up the message. Then plus SMS app won't show the default SMS, so you can see the default SMS here. One thing that I like about that SMS Organizer by Microsoft was that you can actually log this section, and if you don't want someone else viewing this, but it's fine because obviously it's your phone and you have logged it. But still, if OnePlus could put an option to log this category, so it'd be nice. But this is the new SMS app, and I'm glad that they finally rolled this out. They have been talking from a long time about this update, but there was no actual news on when this will come, so it's finally here.